Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever visited a bank and needed to speak English?
Do you know how to open a bank account, deposit money, or ask for an ATM card in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a long and natural English conversation at a bank.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills through real-life conversations.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's get started.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thank you.
What are we doing today?
We're going to the bank.
Really?
Yes, you told me you wanted to open a bank account.
That's right.
Have you ever opened a bank account before?
No, this is my first time.
Don't worry.
I'm a little nervous.
That's normal.
I don't know what to say.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
Banks are usually quiet and organized.
That's good.
You just need to answer a few questions.
I hope it's easy.
It is.
What should I bring?
Did you bring your passport?
Yes,
What about your ID card?
I have it.
Excellent.
Do I need anything else?
Maybe proof of your address.
I brought my electricity bill.
Perfect.
I think I'm ready.
Let's go inside.
Wow,
What's wrong?
the bank is bigger than I expected.
Yes, it's a busy branch.
I see many people waiting.
Don't worry.
Should we take a queue number?
Yes.
Here's the machine.
Press the button.
Okay,
What's your number?
number 23.
Good.
They're helping number 20 now.
We won't wait long.
That's nice.
While we wait, let's practice.
Great idea.
If the bank employee asks, "How can I help you?"
I should say, I'd like to open a bank account.
Perfect.
I think I can do it.
Of course you can.
Thanks for encouraging me.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly.
Thank you.
May I see your passport and ID, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this your first account with our bank?
Yes, it is.
What type of account would you like?
What kinds of accounts do you have?
We have savings accounts and checking accounts.
What's the difference?
A savings account is for saving money.
I see.
A checking account is for daily spending and payments.
I think I'd like a savings account.
That's a good choice.
Thank you.
Can you please fill out this form?
Sure.
Take your time.
Some questions are easy.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Which question?
What does occupation mean?
It means your job.
Oh,
What should you write?
I'll write office worker.
Perfect.
Finished.
Thank you.
Please sign here.
Like this?
Yes.
Done.
Excellent.
Your account will be ready in a few minutes.
That's fast.
Would you like an ATM card?
Yes, please.
We'll prepare one for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You opened your first bank account,
I was nervous at first.
but you did a great job.
Thanks to your help.
I'm happy to help.
I'm excited to learn more about banking in English.
That's exactly what we'll do next. Your new savings account is ready.
That's great. Thank you.
Would you like to make your first deposit today?
Yes, I would.
How much would you like to deposit?
I'd like to deposit $200.
Are you depositing cash?
Yes.
Please place the money on the counter.
Here you are.
Thank you. $100, $200.
That's correct.
Everything looks good.
Great.
Please confirm the amount.
Yes, it's $200.
Here's your deposit receipt.
Thank you.
Always keep your receipt.
Why is it important?
It's proof of your transaction.
That makes sense.
You can also check your balance later.
Can I deposit money anytime?
Yes, during our business hours.
Can I use the ATM to deposit money?
Yes, some of our ATMs accept cash deposits.
That's convenient.
Technology makes banking easier.
I agree.
Paul.
I'd also like to withdraw some money.
Certainly.
I'd like to withdraw $50.
Please fill out this withdrawal slip.
Okay.
Take your time.
Finished.
May I see your ID again?
Of course.
Thank you.
Please sign here.
Done.
Here is your $50.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I check my account balance online?
Yes, you can.
How do I do that?
You'll need to register for online banking.
Is it free?
Yes, it is.
That's wonderful.
Online banking is very useful.
What can I do with it?
You can check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills.
That sounds very helpful.
It saves a lot of time.
Here is your new ATM card.
Thank you.
Please don't share your PIN with anyone.
I won't.
Get a PIN that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess.
Good advice.
Would you like to activate mobile banking?
Yes, please.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes.
Please download our banking app.
Done.
Now enter your account number.
Okay.
You'll receive a verification code.
I just got it.
Please enter the code.
Done.
Congratulations.
Is my mobile banking ready?
Yes.
That's easy.
Now you can manage your account anywhere.
That's amazing.
Just remember to keep your account information private.
I will.
I'm happy everything went smoothly.
You did an excellent job today.
At first, I was nervous.
Now you sound much more confident.
I learned many new words today.
Can you remember some of them?
Savings account,
Good.
checking account,
Excellent.
deposit,
Very good.
withdraw,
Perfect.
ATM card,
Great.
mobile banking,
Wonderful.
online banking.
Excellent work.
I think I can visit a bank and speak English with confidence now.
I'm sure you can.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another real-life conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
Take care.
Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for opening a bank account, depositing and withdrawing money, using an ATM card, and mobile banking.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat each sentence aloud.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.